Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to sort a table in ascending and descending order using Microsoft Access. This is a fundamental skill that will help you organize and analyze your data more effectively, whether you're managing customer lists, inventory records, or any other database information. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Simply launch the application from your computer and select the database file you want to work with. Give it a moment to fully load all your data and tables. This ensures everything is ready for sorting and manipulation. Once the software has loaded along with your data, it's time to begin the sorting process. Start by opening the database table you want to organize. The beauty of sorting in Microsoft Access is that it's incredibly straightforward and intuitive. You don't need any complex formulas or commands to get your data in the order you need. Now look at the top of your table where the column headers are displayed. Click on the header of the column you want to sort. This could be anything from names, dates, numbers, or any other data type in your table. When you click on the header, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow appears on the right edge of that column header. Go ahead and click on that drop-down arrow to reveal the sorting options. You'll immediately see two clear options presented to you: sort from A to Z and sort from Z to A. These represent your ascending and descending sort functions respectively. The sort A to Z option arranges your data in ascending order, which means alphabetically from A to Z for text, smallest to largest for numbers, or earliest to latest for dates. On the other hand, sort Z to A arranges everything in descending order, which reverses that sequence. Simply click on sort A to Z if you want your data sorted in ascending order. Your table will instantly reorganize itself with the lowest values or earliest entries at the top. Alternatively, click on sort Z to A if you need descending order, placing the highest values or most recent entries at the top. The change happens immediately, and you can visually confirm that your data is now organized exactly as you need it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sorted your table in Microsoft Access, making your data much easier to read and analyze. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.